10,000 students applied for 960 seats, and in the 8 department of the business faculty. This applicant number is almost 8 times higher than the total number of students enrolled in 3 semesters in a year of 54 private universities. So you can easily understand what is the importance of the Dhaka University. Second, almost 80% faculties, teachers of the 8 department of the business faculty having foreign degree of MBA and PhD, mainly from the European and North American countries, including I myself. This is beyond imagination in any university of Southeast Asia, including Jawaharlal Nehru University in New Delhi, which is called the best university in the Southeast Asia. More than 72% BCS qualified officers in the Bangladesh government service are the students from the Dhaka University, out of 22 public universities of Bangladesh. And I am sorry to say, until today, less than 0.001% student got chance in the Bangladesh Civil Service Administration coming out from the private universities. These are very unfortunate stories. 72% government officers are from the Dhaka University alone. Within the Dhaka University, the Faculty of Business is exceptional, and I must say it is the #1 in terms of faculties, classroom facilities, employment position, innovation of new teaching techniques. For example, the semester system was first introduced in the Faculty of Business, and the Executive MBA program also introduced by the Faculty of Business. The rest 58 or 66 department of the Dhaka University are just, according to the language of the marketing, are the followers. And in the job market, many will understand, there is no gainsaying the fact that employers, when invite us to take Viva for recruiting the jobs, they honestly request us to recruit the students from the Dhaka University, even if their academic performance is poor. This is the reality. To be very honest, students have every opportunity and possibility to exercise their talent only in Dhaka University, and especially in the Faculty of Business, which hardly can they exercise in elsewhere. Realizing this importance of quality education, BRIJUI has initiated a commendable endeavor in extracting the English medium students and opened up opportunity for them to enroll the DU. Generally, English medium students know only IBA. I am not going for any criticize and prefer to admit there. This is simply because of their lack of information about what is Faculty of Business is. In terms of marketing, I am a professor of marketing, so also I teach the subject of marketing in various universities. In terms of branding, Dhaka University is the best learning center in Bangladesh. And when you would be the student of Dhaka University, many risks of your life will automatically be reduced. More important is that your social position and mental height will take you to achieving the goal you wished for. Finally, being a student of Dhaka University means you are tagged with the history of Bangladesh, starting from the language movement in 1952 down to the Liberation War in 1971. Bangladesh means Dhaka University. Dhaka University means Bangladesh. To be a proud student of Dhaka University means you are equally fortunate and fortified. Thank you, everyone.